183 views, 343 views, 156 views, and even just 24 views. This is the painfully sad story of every new channel on YouTube. Maybe yours too. There's no magic trick you can use that guarantees your videos will go viral ever.
In this video, we are going to discuss 5 fatal mistakes that can stop your YouTube channel from growing. And that's not all. In the end, I have some extremely important bonus points too that will help in your YouTube journey.
So, let's start with number 5. Don't avoid the power of YouTube Shorts. We can't deny that YouTube Shorts are becoming extremely popular, with a staggering 30 billion views every day. The fact is, people are super busy these days, their attention span is low, and they look for quick entertainment or quick knowledge. So, YouTube is also pushing Shorts, making it a big deal. Naturally, if you are not making Reels yet, you are missing out on the opportunities deliberately. What's more, YouTube Shorts now lets you make money, which is attracting creators from other platforms. The best strategy you can follow is hooking your audience with extremely engaging shorts, which will ultimately attract them to watch your long-form video on the same topic. But if you ignore shorts, you might regret it later and end up falling behind, unless you're very lucky.
Number 4, niche is more important than you think. Many new YouTubers start their channels just hoping to either make money or become famous. But not many begin out of genuine passion. This often leads them to pick the wrong topic for their channel. Let's say someone wants to make money, so they start a tech channel even though they know nothing about tech, like TechBurner or Guruji. Similarly, those aiming for fame might start a roasting channel like Carrie Minati or Thugesh, even if they're not good at roasting. If you don't know much about a topic, or if you don't have much interest in a topic, it's better not to start a channel about it. If you do, you'll find it hard to compete with channels that already know their stuff. So choose a niche that suits you. Who knows? One day you might become the most viewed channel in that niche.
But how do you pick the right niche?
It's simple. Just grab a pen and paper and write down all the things you're good at or interested in. You'll probably find 4 to 5 potential channel ideas right away. If you're good at singing, think about starting a channel where you cover songs. If you love movies, maybe try making movie reviews or character analysis. If science is your thing, why not start a channel sharing interesting facts? There are plenty of options. Before you start your YouTube channel, do some research to find the right niche. Don't just follow past trends, see what's relevant now. One important tip I must give you here: suppose you stumble upon a big YouTube channel that's still making videos on outdated topics and getting millions of views. For example, let's say Magnets Media is still making videos on NFTs. In such cases, never follow them, because it's mainly their brand value and their loyal viewers that are getting millions of views, not the topic. If you post the same video on any other channel, the result won't be the same. So always research smartly before you dive in and invest your time, energy, and money into a niche.
Number 3, ignoring SEO strategies. From my experience, I saw a lot of YouTubers who think only good content with an engaging script is everything for a channel's success. But that's not at all true. What they don't realize is how important it is to use search engine optimization and video optimization tricks. If you ignore these, your videos might never get noticed, no matter how good they are. Some common mistakes include not using relevant low-competition keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, or not making thumbnails that catch people's attention.
Number 2, replicating a successful channel. When you're starting on YouTube, it's easy to look at successful creators and try to copy them. Maybe you think their style will work for you too. Let me give you an insight. Magnets Media is one of the most famous faceless channel out there. 80% of the new channels consider them as an idol, which is okay, but they also want scripts like Magnets Media and editing like their videos, like replicating them. That's not okay. As a result, when you go to hire people, you get attracted to people like this, or this, which are, of course, false promises. You will get amazing content from them. But would you get 1 million views right away? Very likely, no. Because you need to understand, nobody is a viral video creating machine. Otherwise, those people had a monopoly on their niche. So be true to yourself and find your exceptionality. You see, channels like Magnets Media, Aperture, Epic Economist, or 10x Income all are different. So instead of copying others, be yourself. People can tell when you're not being real and they won't stick around for fake stuff. Now, what does being real mean? It's simply being yourself, and that's what people relate to. Always try to bring something new to the table. Whether it's a fresh idea, useful information, or just a good laugh, make sure you're giving your viewers something valuable in your style. That's what will make them stick around and become your fans.
Finally, number 1, not engaging with your audience. there's something super important that a lot of new YouTubers tend to forget about. It's called engagement, and it's a big deal for the success of your channel. I'm talking about interacting with your audience. That means replying to comments, answering questions, and basically just talking with the people who watch your videos. Why does engagement matter so much? Because it helps you build a connection with your viewers. When you engage with them, they start to trust you more and feel more loyal to your channel. Trust me, it takes time and effort, but it'll make a huge difference. You'll also learn that being a YouTuber is not only about creating YouTube videos.
And now, in the end, as I promised, this is the time for the important bonus tips. You see, new YouTubers often overload thumbnails, making them messy with many pictures and texts. Avoid doing that. As per psychology, simple things attract more. To get ideas, you can follow your successful competitors. It will also help you learn how to strategically use the platform and maintain a consistent upload schedule. Avoid over-uploading, prioritize planning, and focus on promotion via social media and collaborations to engage your audience effectively.
If you maintain all these, keep doing the good work, and keep building your community properly, you will become a big channel with millions of views and subs too.
Now tell me, what mistakes do you think are stopping your channel from growing? And how do you plan to avoid it in the future?
Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, learning from mistakes is key to growth. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more valuable content. See you in the next video.